Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nanye Abraham, and I'm your mathematics teacher for today. Today, we are going to look at an exercise given to you, and then we want to solve in simultaneous equation. Sorry. Now, we were given two questions. Sorry. Two equations. That is to solve it simultaneously. We have 3x minus 4y plus 16 equal to 12, which is our equation 1. Equation 2 to be 2y minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 5. Equation 2. Now, first of all, I want to solve this simultaneous equation by substitution method, and then secondly I'll solve it by elimination method. Now, solution. Method 1. Having been given this 3x minus 4y plus 16 is equal to 12 as our equation 1, then 2y minus 3x minus 10 equals to 5. Equation 2. Making let's say, so you could choose to make any of the variables here the subject, in any of the equations. So I am choosing to make x the subject in equation 1, making x the subject. That is by substitution method. Making x the subject in equation 1. In equation 1, we're going to have 3x minus 4y equal to 12 minus 16. That is, if you send 16 to this side and simplifying this, you get 3x minus 4y equal to minus 4. Now, if you send the 4y to this side, it will be 3x equal to 4y minus 4. Here, divided by 3, and divide here 2 by 3, because we are making x the subject. You're going to get x is equal to 4y minus 4 all over 3. Then let's name this thing as equation A. Now, substituting x equal to 4y minus 4 all over 3 into equation 2, we will have it to be 2y minus 3. We know our x to be 4y minus 4 all over 3. So substituting means that whenever we see x, we substitute the whole of this expression into the equation, or into where x is. So in the equation where we saw x was what, the 3x, so we substituted the whole of the expression here into the equation, and we are having minus what, 10 equal to 5. Equal to 5. Equal to 5. So we have 2y minus 3, 4y minus 4 all over 3 minus 10 equal to 5. I'm repeating the same equation, so 3 will cancel 3. And then if you expand this, you see that this is negative. Multiplying this, you get negative. Negative multiplying this, you get positive. So it will be 2y minus 4y plus 4 minus 10 is equal to 5. Just group your simple like terms. Minus 4y, and this will be minus 6. Send it to this side, you get what? 11. Then this will be minus 2y equal to 11. When you make y the subject, you're going to get minus 11 over what? 2 as your y. Now, putting y equal to minus 11 over 2 into equation, any of the equation 1 or 2, it will be the same thing. Equation, let me say 1. Equation 1. This is what you are going to get. You're going to get 3x minus 4. We know our y to be minus 11 over 2 equal to minus 4. Equal to minus 4. Now, 2 will go here, 1. 2 will go here, 2. This will be 3x plus, because this is minus 2. If you multiply minus 11, it will be plus 22 equal to minus 4. Send your group like terms. This will be equal to minus 26 here by 3, here by 3, because we are making x the subject, and we're going to get minus 26 over 3. This can also be written as 8 whole number 2 over 3. That happens to be our answer for x2. So solving it simultaneously, our x and y using substitution method, therefore our answer will be x equal 8 whole number 2 over 3, and then y also equal to, it's minus 8 whole number 2 over 3, and this will be minus 5 whole number 1 over 2 as our x and y. And that is for substitution method. Okay, so solving the same question with elimination method, what we need to do is to simplify the equations, the two equations. When we simplify the two equations, that is, we'll have 3x minus 4y equal to 12 minus 16, and then that is for equation 1. 3x minus 4y is equal to 12 minus 16 will give us minus 4. We'll name it equation 3. Then the second equation, which is 2y minus 3x minus 10 equals to 5 as our second equation. When we simplify this one, we're going to get something like this: 5 plus 10. Then it will be 2y minus 3x equal to 15. We name it equation what? 4. So let's rewrite equation 3 and 4, and then we use to solve our simultaneous equation. So you have equation 3, you have 3x minus 4y equal to minus 4. Equation 3. Now in our equation 4, you realize that the 3 minus 3, the second term should be the first term. Let's bring the second term to the first term and exchange. Mathematics is commutative. So sorry, I said mathematics. Subtraction is commutative, so we can interchange them. So you're going to get something like the fourth equation will be minus 3x plus 2y minus 3x plus 2y equal to 15. Equation 4. That is equation 4. So now elimination is just removing one term away. That is making one of the terms in the expressions or in the equations 0. So we are going to make what? We are going to make x here 0, since x, the terms in x, both equations of x, the term of x in both equations are equal, and they are even having opposite arithmetic signs. So we are going to make them 0 since they are equal in both equations. So what we are going to do is that we will add equation 3 to equation 4, and then this one becomes 0. So adding equation 3 to equation 4, we are going to get 0, this plus this, minus 4y plus 2y. You get what? Minus plus minus what? 2y equal to, this will be 11. When you divide, so this can now be written as minus 2y equal to 11. This implies that y is equal to minus 11 over 2. Now putting y equal to minus 11 over 2 into equation any of the equations. Let me say equation 4. Equation 4, we are going to get minus 3x plus 2, we know y to be minus 11 over 2 equal to 15. This will take away this. You have minus 3x minus 11 equal to 15. When you send 11 to this side, it will be 3 minus 3x equal to 26. Now your x is equal to minus 26 over 3, and this can also be written as minus 8 whole number, minus 8 whole number 2 over 3, since this can also be written as minus 5 whole number 1 over 2, and this brings us also to the end of the simultaneous equation by elimination method. Therefore x is equal to minus 8 whole number 2 over 3, while y is equal to minus 5 whole number 1 over 2. Thank you very much for listening to my tutorial video. Please subscribe to my channel. The name again is Ndanye Abraham. Thank you.